Depending on your vehicle, there's a few options when it comes to fitting a dual battery system. Today, we're going to run you through the most popular options and which common vehicles they are best suited to. So first up, let's chat about an under bonnet dual battery system. This option involves fitting 2 batteries under the bonnet of your vehicle. In some cases, the vehicle actually comes with 2 starting batteries as standard. In this situation, we'd replace both batteries. One would be replaced with a higher powered starting battery and the other would be replaced with an auxiliary or dual battery. In other cases, if the vehicle comes standard with 1 starting battery and an empty space somewhere for a second battery, we would leave the starting battery and fit an auxiliary or dual battery in an empty space under the bonnet. Under bonnet has to use a deep cycle, usually calcium type of battery. For most people, the under bonnet is an ideal dual battery solution as it keeps the auxiliary battery out of the way without having to take up space somewhere in the vehicle. Under bonnet systems can be fitted to a number of popular four-wheel drives, including the Toyota Land Cruiser, Prado or Hilux, a Nissan Navara, a Ford Ranger PJ or PK, the Holden Colorado and Rodeo, the Isuzu D-Max and MUX, some Jeep Wranglers and Cherokees, and VW Amaroks. Next up is a great solution for a ute, the under tray or canopy setup. This is quite a popular option for people who have a ute with canopies or under tray storage, as it keeps your battery locked away without taking up space in the cab of the vehicle. The versatility of this option is what makes it so popular. With so many options for sizes and types of batteries on the market today, there are very few limits to what type of system we can install under the tray or in a canopy. The main downside of this setup is that you will lose some storage space in your canopy or in your tray. This is where our next and newest option comes in. We have recently developed an in-cab dual battery solution for utes and dual cab vehicles that is our best space saver yet. This system involves fitting a lead crystal battery behind the rear seats of dual cab utes. This frees up the entire canopy or tray and allows for more secure and protected dual battery system. We can customize the location of plugs and sockets, put them anywhere in the vehicle, and also fit anything else that you may need. Due to the design and size requirements, this type of system is limited to a select group of vehicles. At the moment, we can put this in the Ford Ranger and Mazda BT50s. If you have a different vehicle, get in touch, we'll do some measurements and see if it's a suitable option for you. If you want to know a bit more about our in-cab dual battery solutions, check out another video. We'll pop a link in the description below for this one. As awesome as these 3 in-vehicle systems are, they do have one major drawback. You need to have the vehicle close by to power everything. This isn't so bad when you are parked up in one spot for a while, but if you want a bit more freedom, this is where our final option comes in. The portable battery box. There are so many variations of portable battery boxes on the market. There are pre-made boxes with all the outlets and sockets you will ever need, and maybe some that you never actually will use. However, if you're after something a little bit more suited to your specific needs, we have a range of custom portable battery boxes available. We have 4 standard options available that are assembled in-house, or you can choose to have one made that is completely customized with the sockets and plugs that you need and the isolator or DC to DC charger of your choice. The main benefit of a portable battery box is that it's portable. You can remove the box from your vehicle and set it up in camp to run a fridge or lights. Perfect for those who like to venture further off the beaten track. So these are the most common options available for dual battery systems. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. If you've got any other questions, you can give us a call 1300 227 353 or email us at info@amae.net.au.